Okay, so now that you know that amino acids do different things, I want to give you some examples. As I mentioned, glutamate excites neurons, and glycine can help unexcite those neurons to help calm you down. Other amino acids like tryptophan can be converted from your gut bacteria into serotonin and to melatonin. So both makes you feel happy and sleepy. Melatonin is also a great antioxidant. And this can also be converted into DMT, dimethyltryptamine, which is inside of your pituitary gland, and it's produced as a hallucinogenic that actually helps you sleep. So having enough tryptophan both makes you happy, sleepy, helps your body repair, and some vivid dreams. Arginine, it's a vasodilator, and it also encourages your cells to grow versus shrink or stay stagnant. For muscle growth, you've got leucine, arginine, and glutamate. There's a lot of big guys out there reading a lot of literature saying stuff about how glutamate doesn't really impact muscle synthesis, but glutamate is used by your gut bacteria to make compounds like butyric acid. That butyric acid is involved in quorum sensing for helping your overall gut bacteria community to do things like produce the hormones that are necessary for you to function properly. And if they're not doing what they need to do, then you don't have the output. So people that start doing a lot of long distance training tend to reduce their overall butyric acid because the amino acids aren't being used for quorum sensing. They're being depleted in other methods. We also have compounds like tyrosine, which is used for epinephrine and also dopamine, and it helps make thyroid hormone in addition to your melanin, which helps your skin get darker. So without enough tyrosine, then your skin doesn't get darker to help protect you from UV rays. Cystine's got this little sulfur. It helps with coenzyme A and makes taurine. Lysine and leucine are ketogenic, meaning they can only be used to make short-chain fatty acids or ketone bodies, whereas some of the other amino acids can be used to make glucose. And one of the things that these amino acids do is they trigger pathways like the mTOR pathway, which feeds back into your own GLP-1 production. So by consuming building blocks, this type of food that communicates to the rest of the body that it can grow and build, it triggers your body's own production of self-communication, such as your GLP-1. Furthermore, when you eat proteins in their whole source, it expands your stomach, which also drives GLP-1 production and makes you feel more full.